Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Moen smart water sensor in Moen app, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open the Moen app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Moen account. Select the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the smart water sensor you wish to restore. Tap on the sensor to access its settings. Scroll down to find the Remove Device option. Confirm the removal process when prompted. Once the device is removed, return to the Devices tab. Tap on the Add Device button to start the restoration process. Select Smart Water Sensor from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your sensor in pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the button on the sensor until the indicator light flashes. On your smartphone, ensure Bluetooth is enabled for the app to detect the sensor. When the app finds the sensor, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Assign the sensor a name to easily identify it later. Finish by adjusting any settings according to your preferences. Your Moen smart water sensor is now restored and connected to the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.